Let's take a look at this Buick. If you watch our website, you know we get quite a few cars that come through, and there's ones that just make us say wow and really want to check into further, and this is one of those cars. 1978 Buick Riviera, a little over 18,000 original miles in this car, was with the original owner from 1978 till 2021. Literally about the closest thing to a time capsule you can get. Take a look at the chrome, front bumper, grill, headlight, surrounds. Of course, this is one of those kind of breakaway front grills. You're gonna hit a bird or what have you. They did have some give to them. Kind of cool. You don't see that on cars these days. Underneath the hood, V8, 403 cubic inch. 4-barrel on it. I believe that was the largest and most powerful engine you could get in a 78 Riviera. Of course, white on white with green highlighted interior, and then that's going to match, of course, the pinstripe that's on the car. Also, incredibly equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. The compressor was replaced in 2022. It's been converted to R134. Check out the still pictures. Look underneath the hood. Check out the engine bay. Look at the undersides of this car. Check out all the still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. One of the added features on this car is the chrome plated wheels. And as you can see, has white wall radials on there now. Some of the service work that's been done to this car also in early 2021, previous owner, original owner I should say, replaced the belts and the hoses. So those have less than 2,000 miles on them. I mentioned the new AC compressor. New battery was put in October of 2022. So this has had service work done to it. And as you can see, white leather, split bench seat. Yes, AM, FM, 8-track player. And I have an 8-track there. We're going to try that out when we get in the car on the driver's side, start it up, check it out a little closer. Something else I want to show you back here. Look at this. 4-wheel disc brakes. Another feature that this car has that was not standard. You can check out the window sticker so you can see how this car was ordered and equipped from Buick back in '78 in the still pictures. There's the original invoice, some manuals, original manuals, a copy of the original window sticker. Great things that'll go along with this car. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is where this car was sold new. That matches up with all of the paperwork, window sticker from the original owner of this car. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And that's where you're going to see it. It does have the 4-note horn, this Landau top. That was a feature that was ordered. I mentioned the 8-track player, also those chrome plated wheels. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this car, and you can see how well the paint shows. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, you got to take into consideration the age a little bit, but overall, this car, this car will not disappoint. Sorry about that. Give me a wild ride with the camera in the door there. So here's your power driver's seat, power windows, power lock. Also has the remote mirror controls for driver and passenger side, tilt column, cruise. There's your exact miles, 18,826. Also has your speed warning needle right there, which you can change. And again, you can see all of the options on the window sticker. What a beautiful interior, condition, just incredible. Of course, the wipers do work. Those go for one pass. Power antenna, you notice that went up from when we were outside the car doing the walk around. Turn the radio off, goes down, turn it on, antenna goes up. Radio is in working order. And why not? Let's try out this 8-track. There it is. How cool. Also climate control, automatic climate control, and yes, that is in working order. Here's your rear defog switch, and then that right mirror remote toggle switch. So again, very highly optioned Buick Riviera from 1978. Headliner. And look at the condition of these seats. And again, all original interior. Wow, beautiful. So the door closes. Slip around to the back, you hear it run. Guess what you'd expect 1978 Buick 403 to sound like. No crazy exhaust, over the top cam, anything like that. Alright, let's slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's take a look at this engine bay. See how that looks. First off, take a look at this hood liner. No, this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. The gentleman had a kind of a work truck that he drove as a daily driver, and in inclement months when the weather wasn't so good, and he'd put about 400 or 500 miles on the car a year. So nice, he wanted to keep it that way. And again, original owner had this car from 1978 to 2021. That new compressor has been converted. But just look at how stock and how clean that engine bay is. Not full of corrosion. What you'd expect with 18,000 miles. Look how smooth that runs.
Today we have a 1978 Buick Riviera. A very unique color scheme inside this car. Our blinker indicators work. Out on the front fenders we have blinker indicators. The left one works, the right one I cannot see working. This feels and looks like a low mileage car. Does work. The windshield wipers do work. It's a smooth riding car. Speed. There, we're at 60 miles an hour. Just a little wind noise around the windows. might be a wheel out of balance in the rear. Pulls to the right a bit at cruising speed. Brakes good. Brakes straight. The blower motor does work.
Again, basically like a time capsule. 1978 Buick Riviera. A little over 18,000 miles on it. It's a beauty, folks. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in Reno.